If you've ever hosted friends only to run out of ice halfway through the evening, where you're constantly filling and refilling ice trays that never seem to keep up, you're definitely not alone. A dedicated ice maker can completely change that experience, but not every model is worth the investment. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Whynter stainless steel built-in ice maker to see whether it delivers reliable ice production for everyday use and entertaining. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The Whynter stainless steel built-in ice maker is designed for homeowners, home bar enthusiasts, RV owners, and anyone who wants a steady supply of ice without depending on their refrigerator's built-in ice dispenser. Whether you're hosting parties, mixing cocktails, or simply enjoy having fresh ice available throughout the day, this machine aims to solve one very common problem: never running out of ice when you actually need it. Right away, the design gives off a premium impression. The stainless steel door pairs nicely with the sleek black cabinet, creating a modern appearance that fits comfortably in contemporary kitchens, wet bars, entertainment rooms, or outdoor covered spaces. One feature that makes this model especially flexible is its ability to work as either a built-in or freestanding unit. Since it's front-vented, you can install it neatly under a countertop without worrying about ventilation issues, or simply place it wherever it's most convenient. The overall construction feels solid, and while it's not overly flashy, it has the clean, professional look you'd expect from an appliance designed to stay visible. When it comes to performance, the Whynter focuses on consistency rather than gimmicks. It produces up to 12 pounds of crescent-shaped ice every 24 hours, which is more than enough for most households, home bars, and small gatherings. Crescent-shaped ice is a practical choice because it melts a little slower than crushed ice while fitting comfortably into most glasses and water bottles. The machine also stores up to 6 pounds of ice, so you'll usually have a ready supply waiting without needing to make a fresh batch every time someone wants a cold drink. Another thing worth mentioning is how quietly the machine operates. While no ice maker is completely silent, this one keeps operational noise at a reasonable level that shouldn't become distracting in a kitchen or entertainment area. Once the storage bin reaches capacity, the automatic shut-off feature pauses ice production until more ice is removed. That means you don't have to constantly monitor the machine, making it easy to leave running throughout the day. Daily use is refreshingly straightforward. The included ice scoop and removable storage bin makes serving ice clean and convenient, while the supplied food-grade water line simplifies installation for many users. One advantage over some larger commercial-style machines is that this unit doesn't require a drain, making installation much easier in many homes. Maintenance is also fairly manageable. Like any ice maker, occasional cleaning is necessary to maintain fresh-tasting ice, but the interior is reasonably accessible and routine upkeep doesn't require much effort. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind before buying. One of the biggest strengths is its versatility. The ability to install it as either a built-in or freestanding appliance makes it suitable for a wide range of spaces. The stainless steel finish, dependable ice production, and automatic shutoff all contribute to a user-friendly experience. On the downside, if you regularly host very large parties or operate a commercial space, producing 12 pounds of ice per day may not be enough to keep up with heavy demand. It's also important to carefully measure your available space before purchasing to ensure the dimensions fit your intended installation area. Overall, the Whynter stainless steel built-in ice maker is an excellent option for households, home bars, and entertainers who want dependable ice production in a compact, attractive appliance. It may not be designed for commercial-level output, but for everyday convenience and consistent performance, it checks many of the right boxes. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews that help you make smarter buying decisions. If you'd like to check today's latest price or see whether it's currently on sale, you'll find the direct product link waiting for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.